we're gonna talk to you about the BMS system. We have the monitor and the CPU, and here plant summary. You can see here plant summary, AHU, fan, whatever we install in the building, that will show if we will go for the automatic control. The plant summary will show the plant, how the plant is running or not. Here is chiller, AC system is there, so it will show the chiller. Now I will go to start chiller. Here you can see the temperature. What is that status? It shows that close, yeah, valve is there. See, this one is a valve, this valve is there, closed, both are closed. Here this goes to the chiller. It comes from see, this is cooling tower. We have three cooling tower number 1, 2 and 3, and here it shows the fan. If it will run, then it will show the fan is moving here. Okay, here the water will come from this condenser line to the condenser pump. It will circulate with the help of condenser pump to the condenser to cool the hot refrigerant which pass in a chiller systems, which will go through the compressor. Compressor will compress the refrigerant. It will heat, and that heat will abstract by this cooling tower water, the condensing water which will come from the cooling tower. Okay, now it will gain the heat from the refrigerant and will go to the same cooling tower. Here fan is there, fins also there. I will tell you in next video how the cooling tower is that. In cooling tower, it will come through the bottom side and will goes to the chiller plant, and now it will return to the cooling tower. 1 second. Okay, now it will get cooled with the help of this. Here fins are there. Now this one, fans also there. 3 fans are there. This fans is controlled from here also. When we'll start from here, that all the 3 fans will automatically run. If we want to run one by one, then we have to go to manually in the LT system, LT panel. Now I will show you this. The bulb is there, which will open or automatically from here, and here also it is. One is motorized bulb, one is a butterfly bulb. It will show here. If the bulb is open, then this black color will not show here. Okay. Now we have 3 chiller. Each one is 450 TR. Okay. Here the secondary pump is there. I will show you secondary pump. All are in the chiller plant, but it shows here the only diagram. These all are in off conditions. Here the primary, and these also are in stop conditions. When it will run, it will show to you that it will moving slowly. Here it will goes to the AHU, air handling unit, where it will cool the air and the hot water, because from here, from chiller, the hot cool water goes from here with the help of secondary pump and to the HU, and after returning from the cooling coil and the blower, it will pass to the same. The water will come to this chiller or that chiller, which one will run. In that, the water will return from there. With the help of primary pump. We have 3 pump in this chiller system. One is condenser pump, second one is secondary pump, or third one is primary pump. Secondary pump work will be for regulating the water from the chiller plant to the HU, and primary will for the returning the water from HU to the chiller. That's the diagram related. All the queries there. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment sections. Thank you.